So standard 9, welcome back. Problem set 1, the sets. We have done some basic operations on sets. Now these word problems. Out of 100%, this is question number 1. Some students have asked one query also on this. He has texted it me on the WhatsApp number. So that sum itself, now I am taking out of 100%, 72 speak English and 43 speak French. See this, out of 100%, mean total people are 100. 72 speak English and 43 speak French. If I do the total of this, 72 plus 43, this is 5, 115 comes, and the people are 100. Out of 100 people, 115 are speaking this and this. That means the people are not 105. People are only 100. Means some are speaking English also and some are speaking the French also. Means these 15 people are speaking both the languages. That is the meaning. That's why it is for coming 115. Because the people are only 100 and this total comes 115. Means the people who are speaking English, they are speaking French also, and those who are speaking French, they are speaking English also. That is the meaning. That's why this total is more than the number of the people. Okay. Always analyze this one. Each one of them speaks at least one language. Means there is nobody that who can't speak English or French. At least one language he speaks, that is sure. So we will assume that then how many speak only English, how many speak only French, and how many speak both. First of all, we will find how many speak both. Let a set of English speaking persons, set of English speaking persons be set of French speaking persons. Okay. All are speaking at least one of the language, that is sure. That means n of A union B is equal to 100. N of A union B is equal to how much? 100. There are totally 100 people. N of A equal to 72. N of B equal to 43. We know N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Intersection means common. They are speaking French also and English also. These are these intersection people. Therefore, I will substitute the value 100 is equal to N of A is 72 plus this is 43 minus N of A intersection B. Therefore, this is 100 and this is 115 minus N of A intersection B. Now I will bring this N of A intersection here, it will become plus, and this 100 I will take there, it will become minus. Therefore, N of A intersection B is equal to 115, this 100 taken there minus 100, and therefore N of A intersection B is equal to 15. These are the 15 people who are speaking both the languages. Therefore, number of persons speaking both languages is equal to 15. I am using in the shortcut because the space is less. Now what I want? Only French. First question I will, then how many speak only English? number of persons speaking only English is equal to English speaking persons are how many? 72. NP is 72. They are speaking English, that means they can speak French also. In that these are there, they are speaking both. So remaining will be, so 72 minus these both speaking people. So 57 people are speaking only English. Okay. Number of persons speaking only French. They are 43. They are speaking French, but in that there are some who are speaking English also. That I have to subtract. So 43 minus 15, and that is equal to 28. See now the total. This 28 plus 57 plus that 15, that will be 100. So this way you can understand it. Hope that you have understood this sum. All the sums you have to solve in this manner only. There is no change. And answer afterwards you write the answer, proper answer. Now hope that on this base you can solve all the remaining questions of the exercise. By then.